I'm Samantha, and I got my January 2021 boxycharm premium. And we're gonna check out what's inside. I have a couple of the things on that are in the box. I've played with a little bit, not too much. We're gonna go through it and see what's going on. So again, the theme is Fresh Start. Oh Lord, and I got another one of these volumes. C2101207-PM. See?
Oh, hell no!
So let's start with our first item, which I have not tried yet. Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. And this is it. Let's open it up. Life's turbulent means we can get all... Oh look, I messed that up. Life's turbulent means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Using a nightly mask, a daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. $48. This is the bottle. Why is the glare so bad in here? I'm trying to film it in my kitchen. But let's just open it up and check her out. All right. Let's do it on the back of the hand. I've never heard of this brand. What is this? Summer Fridays. Nope, never heard of them. It's a light eucalyptus scent. I think everything smells like eucalyptus, but not really much going on. It is soft though, gives your skin a silky feeling. Yeah, so I had to help my kids for a second. I'm back. It has sunk into my skin and it feels good. It feels soft. It's not greasy. Let's see. It doesn't say like hydrating. Doesn't say though. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I guess you wear it overnight and then you wash it off in the morning. All right, we'll give that a go tonight. Next, oh, I am excited. I have the highlighter on. I don't know if you can see it. I don't do big highlighters. I only do a little bit of it, but I have it on. The Overcome Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Yeah. Inside it says smile, you are beautiful. And this is it. And it says manifest good to glow, looks every time, in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring Oprah's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights. This lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. $39. I have the highlighter on. I haven't really had a chance to play with this, but I mean, let's do some swatches. Alright. Alright. So this is the blush, the bronzer, the highlights. I don't know if this bronzer will be dark enough for me. I know what you guys want to see. I'll do one of the mattes too. Okay. So here's some of the eyeshadows. And it glares like crazy. The green is pretty. Hold on. Ooh, and they're pigmented. It's the shimmers in the palette. Really, really pretty. I'm not mad at that. Next. Oh, I'm so excited. I use this today. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that wouldn't flash back, so Pro Filter was born in 8 versatile shades to melt into your new oh my god, unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It works all day to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. And this is what it looks like. I got mine in lavender. And when you open this up, it comes with this. Well, this comes separate, but you can put it in. It kind of keeps the powder from going everywhere. And this is what it looks like. It's gonna give me, oh, this glare is terrible. That's what it looks like. It doesn't really have much of a smell, but you can see it's very finely milled. Makes a good baking powder. Anyways, you want to wrap this little thing and you stick it in here, and it keeps the powder from falling out. And it has this little tab right here where you can just pull it right out when you want to use it. I have enjoyed it a lot. And I'm 43 and I have mature skin and it's dry. And as you guys can see, it did a good job at blurring. It does say blurring, right? Yeah. I'm not seeing many pores. It doesn't look to be creasing so far. I've had it on about an hour, and I'm pretty pleased with it. It looks good. It definitely brightened my under eyes. So that is that. Oh, Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum. I have not tried this yet. A lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula is specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Apply the eyelash enhancer once a day. Encourages longer and healthier lashes. $69.95. Jesus Christ. Oh, so it's a little like brush tip. You wanna? Let's see what kind of formula. Oh, it's clear. All right, I don't know. I have one. So once I use that one up, I'll give this one a go, and then we'll see how it works. So far, I got 2 of them in boxycharm, and I have a brush one, like it looks like mascara, but it's eyelash conditioner, and then I have another growth serum I had got from them a couple months back, and I've been using that, and then it has helped my lashes. I think they're not like super dupe. Like right now, I just have mascara on. You can't really see, but I mean, nothing. Yeah, they're longer than what they usually are, but nothing like falsy. Anyways, next on the list is Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look, full frontals, a lightweight ultra black formula specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat brush. The fat side holds max product to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curls. $24. That's not bad. This is the packaging. This is the mascara. I don't know. One of you can. I actually used this. It's on my eyes now. Can you see it? And if I turn it, can you see how I can get it all up in this camera? I hope it focuses for you guys. But see how it's flat? Yeah. I have it on now. I like the formula. It's not a real wet formula, but it's not dry either. It's like that good medium. I liked it. I enjoyed it a lot. It's black. It went on. My eyelashes have stayed curled, so yeah, I like it. I would give it a go. I would use it again. Next, oh, okay. PMD Beauty. Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back, oh, here it is. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. $30. Yeah, washcloth before use. Damping cloth with warm water. Gently wipe off makeup. Rinse cloth. Machine wash as needed. It's got a cool little. So I guess you could kind of travel with this if you needed to. This is it. What's the tag say? Oh, polyester made in China. Shocking. It's soft. I don't know if it's like any other makeup cloth. No scent, no nothing. $30. I'll try it. I have a couple of these, so I'll give it a go. And we'll see how this works. But I have like 3 or 4 of these. And a makeup cloth. To me, it's a makeup cloth, but we shall see with the silver. I don't know. So that is it for my. Yes, that's it for my premium. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I guess I will do an upcoming tutorial with the Ofra palettes so we can see what is going on with some of the stuff in there. We'll try this out. I'll do them with the mascara. We'll try all of it out. And in the comments, I'll definitely let you guys know how this works out. That and the lash serum when I get to it. But that's it for my boxycharm premium. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit your little notifications bell so you're notified when I upload again. And I'll see you next time. Bye.